ERC Engineering manufactures various machines and components used in a wide field of industries, ranging from the Navy to space and the agricultural sector. The ERC bin rotator is a machine designed to rotate standard wooden and jumbo plastic bins while attached to a forklift. The ERC suppressor is a rifle suppressor and the end product from years of development and testing. Then there's the ERC weed sprayer for agriculture and the ERC spinner spike barrier that fits any fence, designed for extreme protection of property.
At ERC Engineering, we've got a highly specialized team as well as equipment. You're welcome to come and discuss your needs with us, and we'll provide you with excellent products.
ERC Engineering, focused on providing services and products with the highest levels of quality and customer satisfaction.